Block number 5 of the FatCat patterns, Be Happy, Applique. Of course it's Applique. Block of the month. I am pre-fusing my patches so that they'll be easy for me to put them right onto my applique base. And I say easy. If you have to change position of something and you're using a Teflon sheet, you just peel it up and put it back down. You can't do that if you're actually ironing onto your base fabric. Let's see, if I was putting this on my base fabric already, I'd go, ooh, I put that too close. I could not do that. Peel it up and move it over. This is nice to be able to slide them around and have units made so that when you're putting it on your applique base, it just fits. There. Once again, you know my process by now. I take my page from the pattern, I put my patches on it, peel everything up, and then I'll go to the applique block that I have cut and put them on. I'll grab 2 bees out of the infamous bee box. Aren't we glad we made all of those ahead of time? And I'll be back ironing it to the fabric. All right, back into the bee box. I want a left bee and a double bee. All these bees. Okay. You know what? Hey, look. There's my missing piece from the other block. Put that over there. Well, at least, I don't know if I'm going to put it on that other block now, but at least I know I actually traced it and cut it out. I wasn't going crazy. It is but barely on there. Double check my seam allowances. Isn't it nice how quickly these go together when you have your patches already pre-assembled? It takes out a lot of the frustration of it for me. Here we go.